Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Trendline Forex here on Wednesday 5th of October. We're going to have a look at gold. A lot of you guys are confused what's going on with price right now. Is the trend reversing? Are we still in a downtrend? What trades should we take in? Should we trade at all? Right, and these are all questions that I'm going to try and answer right now, as simple as possible, as quick as possible as well. Now, looking at the 1 hour time frame, what happened last time when we traded to the downside, price came and it tapped into our area right here around the 1610, 1620 level. Okay, so we're going to have a look at that one in a second, but for those of you who have been following our channel for a while, you guys know very well that we predicted all those shorts during the downtrend that we were trading in, right? So it retested the area down here where our initial targets were, and it then created that momentum to the upside. A little bit of a retracement and a continuation up. So at that point, we already knew that we are going to see a pullback, and we identified a zone right around here where price currently is trading, where we could potentially look to sell, right? So looking at this right now, this type of price action here, since price tapped into our area down here, it's already made a move of about $100 to the upside. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, you could potentially say that we've got a trend reversal. But what you need to pay attention to in order to find out what the trend actually is, you've got to focus on the higher time frames. And that's why we're going to pop up to the 4 hour time frame after the hourly chart. And looking at this right here, I don't think we have a trend reversal. And I think that's much more easier to identify, right? You just got to zoom out and you've got to look at the higher time frames. Okay, we are in a downtrend and this is just a pullback. We had exactly the same pullback here, and as you can see, the downtrend then continued, and that's probably what's going to happen right now as well. And if you look at the daily time frame especially, looking at this downtrend, we're definitely not looking at a trend reversal yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you my chart drawings, and that's going to make much more sense, right? We've got this descending trend line right here, which is currently being tested by price action, as you can see. Now, if you place the Fibonacci retracement on this bigger move, what we have is pretty much 23.6, which is the minimum correction that normally occurs in a trend, right? And we haven't even tested that 23.6. Okay, so I'm definitely expecting that this downtrend will continue, but the thing is, we are currently in a pullback, which is more likely to create some higher values before it drops to the downside. Right, so if you look at the 4 hour time frame, we're about to retest the 61.8 retracement level, okay, on this last impulse right here, right? And we've also got some structure looking to the left. Okay, we've got this previous high, we've got the low here as well, and it is very likely that we're going to see some type of market reaction here, and that's probably going to create a little bit of retracement here in the short term. I mean, a move to the downside, and then we're going to see another leg to the upside. And I actually think that this pullback will continue a little bit higher, probably to around the level of 1760. Okay, we've got the 76.4 retracement level right here. We've also got some more structure to the left. We've got this high again, we've got this low. So I think it's very likely that we're going to see the market coming up here, retesting that previous high. We're going to be looking for some type of reversal signals on the higher time frames, at least the 4 hour time frame, and then we're going to be looking to take a sell trade and basically continue the trend. I think once price goes back into the main move, which is a downtrend, we're most likely going to see a breakout of 1600 and the market continuing even lower, probably towards around 1500. Okay, obviously that's not going to happen right away, and there are going to be more analysis from us here on YouTube until then. But right now, what we need to focus on is to patiently wait for this pullback to end, because many of you guys have made some profit in this downtrend, right? Especially if you have been watching our videos. So don't give all that profit back to the market. In times like this, you've got to understand that waiting is the best thing that you can do. Because you've made a profit because it was easy to trade inside of a downtrend, a clear trend, right? And that's what's going to happen again. Once the pullback ends, price will go back into a trend, and that's when you want to start unloading and looking for trading opportunities. But right now the market is very tricky. I mean, if you want to trade to the upside, of course you can do that on the lower time frames, but you've got to accept the risk and understand that this is against the trend and it carries more risk. So at least use less risk when you enter those trades. And looking to trade this one to the downside right now, I think it's not the best idea. And if I have to be honest, if you have any short positions right now and you are in a loss, make sure that you've got a stop loss. And if you're not sure about your trade, just close the trade and wait for a better opportunity, right? Like I said, I think we're going to see a slight push to the downside in the next few days, and then most likely we're going to see the continuation of the pullback to around 1760, 1770, possibly even 1780, right? And I also forgot to say that the key level here is 1807, 1808, and this is this major high on the 4-hour time frame. Now if price breaks above that, then yes, we're probably going to be looking at a trend reversal at that point. Okay, but to be honest, that's not what I'm expecting. Pretty soon we're going to see a strong US dollar again, and that means we're going to see gold trading to the downside. You can also have a look at the dollar index and see where price is currently trading at. Do your analysis and you will kind of know when to expect the next downside move here on gold. Alright, so hopefully that helps. Guys, make sure to leave a comment below this video. You've got a real chance of winning a free spot in our premium channel, and that's where we talk about gold and pretty much every other pair in my watch list on a daily basis. All right, and by the way, we've also got some more opportunities on dollar Canadian, the Aussie dollar, the New Zealand dollar as well. So if you want to find out what those are, join the premium channel. And by the way, I'm going to leave some links in the description below this video, so make sure to check them out. Follow us on social media and join our free Telegram channel. Like I said, there will be a link in the description down below. Alright, so this is what we're going to be looking for. Sell entries from around 1760, 1770. Basically, we want to see the end of the pullback, and then we're going to be looking to take a sell trade. Right now, I'm not buying or selling at current price levels. A lot of market participants will get tricked and lose money here, so don't be one of them. Be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos, where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.